Today, we are diving into natural solutions to help us deal with this common parasitic disease without over-depending on antibiotics. Let us get started. Coccidiosis is a disease caused by protozoan parasites that infect the intestines of chicken, leading to symptoms like diarrhea, weight loss, and poor growth. Preventing and treating coccidiosis is very important for maintaining a healthy and productive flock. Why should we even consider natural solutions for coccidiosis? Natural treatment and prevention is safe for both the chicken and the final consumer. They are environmentally friendly, also cost-effective. Not only do these methods help to manage the disease, but also promote the overall health of your flock. Oregano is rich in essential oils like thymol and carvacrol, which have strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. These two compounds, that is thymol and carvacrol, promote healthy intestinal microorganisms. They boost immunity and also improve growth and production rates. To administer to chicken, mix 1 teaspoon of oregano per kilogram of feed, or oregano tea per liter of drinking water. For coccidiosis, oregano helps to reduce inflammation in the digestive system and prevents the spread of the parasite. Garlic is very common. It is used in cooking. It contains a compound called allicin. Allicin has antiparasitic properties. Crush 1 garlic clove and add it to every liter of drinking water, or mix 1 teaspoon of garlic powder per kilogram of feed. Note that allicin breaks down quickly and should be consumed within 24 hours. Garlic helps with coccidiosis by directly attacking the parasites and improving the overall health of the chicken. Thyme contains a compound called thymol, which has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. It is also rich in vitamin C, which helps to boost the immune system. Mix 1 teaspoon of dried thyme per kilogram of feed. Thyme helps with coccidiosis by strengthening the chicken's immune system, making them less exposed to the disease. Turmeric. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Here is a fun fact. Turmeric contains about 100 compounds that contribute to its healing properties. It is also a good natural dewormer. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder per kilogram of feed. But note that in larger quantities, turmeric acts as a blood thinner and therefore is dangerous. Turmeric helps with coccidiosis by reducing inflammation in the gut and fighting off the parasites. Apple cider vinegar creates an acidic environment in the gut which is hostile to coccidia. It contains 3 compounds, or rather 4. We have acetic acid, we have other organic acids, enzymes and antioxidants. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar per liter of drinking water daily. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting apple juice, first with yeast to produce alcohol, then with bacteria to convert alcohol to acetic acid. This helps with coccidiosis by making the gut environment hostile for the parasites. Next we have diatomaceous earth, or what is commonly known as diatomite. Diatomaceous earth is a natural powder that helps to reduce moisture and parasites in the coop. Sprinkle 1 cup of diatomaceous earth per square meter of bedding and nesting areas to control coccidia and other parasites. So it is a natural pesticide. Diatomaceous earth helps with coccidiosis by reducing the amount of parasites in the environment, making it less likely for the chicken to get infected. And lastly, we have probiotics. Probiotics support the gut health by promoting beneficial bacteria that can outcompete coccidia. Ferment grains like barley or oats by soaking them in water for 24 to 48 hours. Add 1 tablespoon of fermented grain per kilogram of feed. You can also use another source of probiotics, which is yogurt or commercial probiotic supplements. Probiotics help with coccidiosis by maintaining a healthy gut, which can prevent the parasites from establishing themselves. Now, these natural remedies can be used together to provide a comprehensive approach to managing coccidiosis. Combining different remedies improves their effectiveness and ensures your chicken get maximum benefits. For example, you can mix oregano and thyme into their feed. You could add garlic and apple cider vinegar to their water and provide probiotics regularly. Always monitor how your chicken respond and adjust where needed. To summarize, incorporating natural solutions like oregano, garlic, thyme, turmeric, apple cider vinegar, diatomaceous earth and probiotics can help you manage coccidiosis in your flock. Please give these methods a try and share your experiences in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Kindly subscribe to help us grow. Click the bell icon for more tips on natural poultry care. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and let us meet in our next video.